Mastering productivity as a software engineer.
Staying productive is crucial for software engineers facing complex projects and tight deadlines. Using the right tools can make all the difference, streamlining your workflow and increasing efficiency. In this video, discover 5 essential productivity tools that can help you work smarter and deliver better results, whether you're coding solo or collaborating within a team.
VS Code, your coding powerhouse.
Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a widely used code editor trusted for its speed, customizability, and powerful extensions. It supports a vast array of programming languages and integrates seamlessly with version control systems. Its features like IntelliSense, debugging, and live sharing make coding more efficient and enjoyable for both beginners and experienced engineers.
GitHub, collaborative code management.
GitHub is the go-to platform for version control and teamwork. It lets you track code changes, review pull requests, and collaborate with others efficiently. GitHub is also useful for documentation, issue tracking, and integrating with deployment systems, making it an essential tool for any software development project, big or small.
Jira, organize tasks and track progress.
Jira is a popular project management tool among software teams. With Jira, you can organize tasks, manage workflows, and monitor progress using boards and sprints. It supports agile methodologies, providing clear visibility into project timelines and priorities to ensure everyone stays on track and aligned with project goals.
Slack, seamless team communication.
Slack revolutionizes team communication by keeping all discussions in one place. Its channels, direct messaging, and integration with other tools reduce email clutter and speed up decision-making. Whether you're sharing code snippets, troubleshooting, or just staying connected, Slack helps teams collaborate more efficiently, no matter where members are located.
Notion, all-in-one knowledge base.
Notion combines notes, documentation, task management, and databases into a single workspace. Documenting processes, creating to-do lists, and sharing resources are all streamlined within Notion, helping engineers and teams stay organized. Its flexible templates and customization options make it a favorite for managing both personal productivity and team knowledge bases.
Boost your workflow with these tools.
Embracing the right productivity tools can transform how you approach software engineering. From code editors and project management platforms to communication hubs and knowledge bases. These 5 tools help streamline your work and empower you to focus on what matters: building great software. Experiment with them to find the perfect combination for your workflow.